Is your villa management still stuck in WhatsApp groups, sticky notes, and manual spreadsheets? Desktell goes beyond a smart room service portal. It includes built-in scheduled maintenance and asset management for smooth villa operations. For example, a recurring task like monthly swimming pool cleaning can be pre-scheduled, auto-assigned to the caretaker or maintenance team, and required approvals can be taken from the managers or villa owners. Tasks like swimming pool cleaning are notified directly to the villa caretaker via the app, enabling timely execution. Staff can capture before and after photos, upload them to the work order, and update the task status to Done, all from their mobile device. Owners and managers get real-time visibility of task completion, delays, and staff performance through intuitive maintenance dashboards. With Desktell, villa operators no longer need to micromanage. They can handle multiple properties from one central platform. Desktell offers a guest service portal, ensuring guest service requests and back-end upkeep are both handled seamlessly. The result: guests walk into a well-maintained villa, clean pool, chilled AC, hygienic washrooms, creating a truly satisfying stay experience. From guest requests to villa upkeep, Desktell brings it all under one roof.